Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to go over how to identify a bad GPS on your H1 flight controller and helicopter. So when you plug into the helicopter, you need your sync cable and get into your H1 software. So your H1 is going to do this really flashing, which indicates a system error. So if you notice right here, this is the bad GPS unit, and then this one's the good one. Now, when you have everything plugged in, you're going to get this icon that pops up. So ignore the compass calibration. I have calibrated this helicopter 15 times in a row, and it still doesn't solve the problem. But this is the indication, GPS connection exception. That is telling you right off the gate that you have a bad GPS unit. So I'm going to unplug it and plug in the new one, and this icon should go away, and that's how you tell that it's fixed. And I did a compass calibration outside and it worked perfectly. And the reason why I noticed I had a GPS issue is that my GPS, when I try to get it to lock on outside, it wouldn't lock on. It will sit there for like 10-15 minutes at the RC field, and I'm like, all right, something's wrong. So let me pause this and I'll come right back. I plugged in the new GPS unit, and now when I come back to the computer, the GPS connection exception error is officially gone, which is great. So that solved that problem. So I hope this video helped you guys out in getting rid of that GPS connection exception error. All you got to do is just put a new GPS unit like I did. Hope this video helps you guys out, and have a good one.